everybody, it's Clem again from One Day Creative Education, and today I would like you to start just by copying me. Find yourself a space, make sure you're all ready to move, and all you need to do is copy me. Are you ready? Have you worked out what we're doing? Well, the first one was throwing a javelin. The second one was running. And the third one was boxing. All these sports are part of the Olympic Games, which was supposed to happen in summer 2020 in Tokyo. Now, it's been moved to summer in 2021 in Tokyo, but that doesn't mean that we can't still look forward to it. So I'm going to do a couple more mimes, and can you guess what sports we're doing them? Don't forget to copy me. There we did shot put, we did climbing, and we did swimming. All of these are Olympic sports. But the Olympics, the modern Olympics, look very different than how the ancient Olympic Games looked. And I'm going to tell you about an event they had at the ancient Olympics that definitely isn't about now. So stick around, I'll see you in just a minute. Bye now. Hi everybody, I'm going to tell you about the Pankration. Can you pronounce that? Pankration. I'll go and then you go. Pankration. Pankration. Pankration! Wonderful. Now the Pankration was a very violent event at the ancient Olympic Games hundreds of years ago. And they would have two boys, maybe 10, 11 years old, who would fight. And the worst thing was, there were no rules. So these fights were considered full of honour and full of pride for the family of the children who fought. But I'm not sure how the children felt. What we're going to do is create 3 still images that show the beginning, the middle, and the end of one Pankration. And I'd like you to do your own. I'll create mine and show you what I'd do, but you might create something different. So let's start with the beginning still image. Can you create an image of a young fighter who is very nervous about going into the ring to face the other child at the Pankration. Perhaps this fighter is dusting themselves down or warming themselves up. Are they low? Are they medium? Are they high? Can you show me in their face how they're feeling? This is going to be my still image. Holding my hands tight, looking a bit nervous on my face, and I've decided to be up high. Can you show me yours now? Good, don't forget your face. Yeah. What can you do with your hands, your arms, your legs? Are you going to be tall or medium or low? And stay nice and still. Well done. Come out of that now, but don't forget it because we're going to use it in just a moment. Second, we need a still image of the fighter in the fight. So, mine's going to be this. Notice how I'm lower this time. Firstly, I was a bit nervous up here. This time, I'm lower. My face is full of anger. And my muscles are tensed. Can you show me your still image of the fighter in the middle of the fight? And only choose one. We don't want this changing all the time. Let's have a look. Oh, you've got a great facial expression. Really well done. Don't forget to use your whole body. What can you do with your legs? Yeah, really good. And stay nice and still. Okay, well done. Stand up tall again. Brilliant. Can you show me that first freeze frame again? Now when I clap, can you change really quickly to your second freeze frame? Let's have a go. So if I clap from the first to the second. Let's have a look. Into your first freeze frame, into your first still image. Good, very well done. Let's try again, go back again. The first still image, and then we'll change to the second. Very good, well done. Okay, now we're going to make one final still image. And for this one, you need to decide whether your fighter wins or loses. All right, wins or does not win. I'll show you mine, but you can choose whatever you want for yours. Mine's going to be my fighter has not won. Notice how I'm a bit lower again. My face shows maybe sadness or angst, and probably some pain as well. What's yours going to look like? Go on, have a go. Good face again. You can really get that face. Try and use your whole body, remember? And stay as still as you can. Are you going to be high, medium or low? You don't have to copy me. Good, fantastic. Stay nice and still now then. Okay. Shake it off, brilliant. What we're going to do is we're going to move through all three of these now. We're going to move through all three of them. So we're going to start with the first one. When I clap my hands, move to the second one. And when I clap my hands again, we're going to move to the third one. Alright, I'm going to be watching, so get into your first position, the beginning of the pankration. Stay nice and still. Good, the third one. Have you won or have you lost? I can see some of you out there have won, some of you have lost. Brilliant. Wonderful. We're going to try again one more time, alright? This time, if I keep clapping, just go back to the first one. So we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So first one, second one, third one, first one. Let's see if you can clap along with me. Here we go. I might speed up, so really pay attention. Brilliant. Well done, you. Okay, I'll leave you for the moment, but I have a very important task for you for you to be getting on with for the next, I don't know, couple of hours. Be loads of fun. See you in a minute. Hi everybody, I've got a task for you for the next couple of hours and it's really, really important. In Tokyo 2021, there are going to be lots of new sports that have never been seen before at the Olympics. Surfing is one of those new sports. And I'd like you to have a go at creating your own brand new sport. Now I know that's quite a lot to be getting on with, but I've got some questions to help you maybe work through your thinking. Maybe you can write it down or have a go with your brothers, sisters, cousins, friends, family, dogs, cats, uncles, aunties. I don't mind. Have a go at playing it and see whether it works or not, because a sport is difficult to create. So, here are my questions. Firstly, is it a team sport or is it a solo sport you'd like to create? A team sport like football or rugby, or a solo sport like tennis or surfing? Second question. Does it have any props? Do you need anything to do this sport? For example, most sports need something. Running, you don't need much to be able to run. But javelin, you need the javelin. Shot put, you need the shot put. Football, you need the football. So do you need anything to play this sport? Third question. How do you win? Is it about how many goals you score or points you take? Is it about how far you can throw something or how fast you can do something? How do you win at your new sport? And finally, what are the rules? Every sport needs guidelines and rules that you have to stick by so that it's fair for everybody. What new rules are you going to put in your sport? How does it keep people safe? Have a little think. Go away. I'd love for you to create your own new sport and have a go at it. It's loads of fun. And do check out all of the One Day Creative videos, because for now, I'm going to leave you with your imagination, your thoughts, your brain and your mind. And I will see you all again soon. Bye now.